A very good evening, everyone. If you are facing any of the issues in any of the sessions, including the catchment delineation, please if you have any other general query regarding the training, you please put it forward. We will be uploading the feedback form and also the assessment test will be uploaded tomorrow morning. It will be a simple multiple choice question and answer based assessment, which you need to submit by next Monday. Not Monday, sorry, next weekend. Means we will be giving entire next week. You will be having time. It is not that you cannot. It will be a very easy assessment test. It can be completed just in a matter of 5-10 minutes. But if in case if you just want to attempt it after watching all the sessions and doing the hands-on, you are free to do that till next Friday or Saturday. I will be intimating it, and then we will have a closing session on Friday or Saturday next week. And those participants who submit assessment test, registered participants who submit assessment test and feedback form will be getting e-certificates in their mail ID starting from next week. I hope it is clear. For getting e-certificate, which is digitally signed certificate, you have to submit assessment test by next Friday or Saturday. The date I will be intimated tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning we will open the assessment test. And if you are keen on doing any assignment, optional assignment, I am open to it. I can also add one optional assignment for those who are interested. So optional assignment will not be a criteria for giving e-certification. E-certification, for that you need to submit assessment form, assessment test, as well as feedback form. So now I request the participants, if they have any query, they can unmute themselves and they can speak.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, my name is Rachna. Sir,
Mm.
still I am not having any query because I am not up to the sessions. I have just studied session 10. I'm just studying it. So I don't
Okay.
have query now. But sir, one thing which I want to tell, sir, I think this is the best online session which I have attended, rather offline also. Because sir, anything which I can say, because there are number of trainings online, offline, both the way. The best thing which I have realized is for the first time that you have uploaded the videos, and wherever something is left for noting down or understanding, I have number of times rewinded the videos and again played, again rewinded, again played, noted. Means this was the best training I have attended, online, offline, sir. This is the best thing, sir. Thank you so much for giving and explaining so nicely and giving. I don't know how much I can opt from this training, but this is the best thing I have taken ever. Thank you so much for that.
Oh, thank you very much for your words. Yes, the idea is creating a video sessions and uploading them is to give you enough time to review them. Because I know if we conduct this training program in webinar mode, live sessions, it may not be possible in the first place. There will be issues with screen size, there will be issues with following up the steps, and you may even if we provide recorded sessions, the size may not be optimal. That's why we kept hands-on sessions in a recorded session mode, and you will have access to them even afterwards, after the completion of the training program, and you can watch them whenever you want, and you can always get back to us if you have any query. The WhatsApp group will also, we will not close it down, but
Sir,
if
kindly
there is,
add me in that because I was a late comer, a day late. Then kindly add me up, sir. I
okay,
requested in WhatsApp also. And sir,
okay.
may I request for these presentations? Not these video recordings? Can we download them, sir, if possible?
You can download because these many of the video sessions, so they occupy 3 to 4 GB space because we have made it in high resolution. So it is not possible, but you can download them using any YouTube online video downloader. I am not sure of the resolution, but these YouTube links will remain live even afterwards. No
Okay,
one
sir.
is going to take them down. So you
Thank
have
you.
the access to them all the time.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, kindly add me in WhatsApp, sir, so
Yeah.
that I can join
Yeah,
in.
have you means actually have you I hope you have registered for
Yes,
the
sir. I have
program.
registered, sir.
The
I have registered.
Google, no, not on the e-learning portal. There are a few people who haven't registered but have joined the course in our portal. Because for giving certification, we have circulated a Google form prior to opening the course. I hope
Okay.
you filled that.
No, sir, I have not filled it, but no
Okay.
problem. If certificate is not there, there won't be any problem. At least I have learned the that
Okay,
software, sir.
fine. Yeah,
Thank you so much.
that is fine. That is fine.
Thank
Yeah,
you,
you
sir.
will the access will remain. You can access the material all the time.
Thank you, sir.
Hi Chaitanya,
Uh,
this is Asit Chaturvedi from Delhi.
Namaste sir, namaste. Yeah.
नमस्ते. बहुत बढ़िया ट्रेनिंग थी, मजा आया. You have given
Uh,
deep insight to the QGIS platform, and it was wonderful to know how to download the open access data available everywhere for our benefit.
Thank you sir, thank you sir. I was not aware that you are following up the training program. It is
Except for this Python thing today, it was all of my liking, and definitely it will improve knowledge. So I thank you and your team. It was wonderful. बहुत बढ़िया ट्रेनिंग थी. और जिस पेस से तुम्हारे जो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है, वो एक भी मिनट ऐसा नहीं लगा कि हम बोर हो रहे हैं या हमको हमारे कान में तेज आवाज आ रही है. It was so wonderful. It was just like a professional. You just lift the morale of all these learners.
thank
Thank
you
you
sir.
again.
Thank,
Thank
thank
you,
you sir.
Asit. Keep
Thank
it
you.
up.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. It is a great thing that the such appreciation will further enthuse us to create such programs. Thank you, sir.
I think these videos will remain ever in this
Yeah.
YouTube, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because
Uh,
they are not downloaded in my desktop. They are available on internet only.
they are available on internet, and what I will do is I will. I don't know if you have accessed our e-learning platform, sir. All the links are available at one place. I will also create one PDF file with the links, and I will be circulating it.
Okay, okay. That will serve the purpose.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Good evening, Mr. Chaitanya. I'm Rangarajan, member power from GRMB.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. I think the course is very good. The problem is, except that last two sessions, I'm able to catch up the things. And being a new to these GIS tools, I think I was passively participating. I cannot say actively participating. I was passively participating, and I am trying to do the exercises. But it's a very good initiative taken by NWA. I think I hope all the participants have utilized this opportunity. I think its course is very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Hello. Also, thank you, Chaitanya sir, for your giving wonderful knowledge and related to GIS portal, GI, QGIS supporting all necessary websites and data portals. Actually, we are using little bit QGIS since last 1 year, but much more website are I don't have understand and I don't know about this. But after your session, we have to getting too much data, such like a survey of India. Get today, Neil sir approaches us that GitHubs and much more open sources data, open source data like open map, too much uh, update to us since 3 or 4 day session, and we are keeping the all videos in our record because we are almost daily not attend full time watching this online session, but daily I want to watching it night up to 11 or 12 night, after that leaving at the duty. So I realized that wonderful session. Actually, I have to attend last 1 year session in CUK, Central that engineering college in Karnataka. I have trained just 3 or 4 day like this session also. But this time I too much updated from your session. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much. We will be having valedictory session next week. So this I'm very flattered by your praise. But if there are any queries, the participants, I would like to. There are posting many messages in the chat box, but we will meet again next week. You have time for completing the video sessions. But if you have any queries, please use this opportunity. And yeah, someone is speaking. So I think during the weekend, every one of you will have time to follow up the sessions if you have missed, and also you will have time till next Friday or Saturday. We will be having one valedictory program. We will meet again on next Saturday. We will have also have our chief engineer. Then once you submit the assessment, and we will circulate the list of participants along with their email IDs, and we will be emailing the e-certificates next week. I hope it is clear. You have to today we will be posting the feedback form in the e-learning portal, and tomorrow morning I will be uploading the assessment test. It will be a very simple assessment test.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was a wonderful session. Many things to learn from this. I have attended previously the Python program. That was also very much informative. So, but I would like to request that can you do more sessions on like training programs on hydrological modeling softwares? It will be great for me
Uh,
and many others. Yeah.
yes, madam. We will try to plan it. We will have an online program on Google Earth Engine after maybe after April. We will announce it. We will conduct it in this mode because if we are doing it in physical mode, we will be having only 25 participants. That too, we cannot cater to all stakeholders. Whereas online programs, there is no limit for anyone to join. So we will try to design more programs on even hydrological modeling, and we make use of this. Please check our website, NWA website, for upcoming events. Periodically, you can check. And I will also be circulating information about training programs in the WhatsApp groups. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Sir, this training program was excellently designed. Thank you very much for that. Sir, if possible, you are requested to kindly design similar kind of training program on ArcGIS or Google Earth Engine.
Yeah, we will definitely do it for Google Earth Engine. ArcGIS, the issue is with access. We will try to have, we will try to create some sessions. Everyone may not be having access to ArcGIS. So we conduct it in physical mode at our campus. But still, I will take your suggestion for creation of sessions even on ArcGIS. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. The training was really well documented, and what I liked really was, although I had used ArcMap and a bit of QGIS for some projects, very minute details were very well explained. So that was quite helpful. Even though we use QGIS for applications, many of the minute details are missed when we work on it. For example, even in the symbology, many of the other options were discussed. So it was quite useful. And I hope that we can, despite not having license for ArcGIS in many institutions, this training will be quite helpful for the user community. And even QGIS, since it's advancing each and every year, they are making different versions. I hope this training would provide us a platform to learn more. And thank you for the training program.
Thank you, madam. And it is a learning experience for us, for me also, means because when we start working for any application, if your attention will be upon getting the result. You don't pay attention to minute details, so we never learn the basics. So that even in QGIS we gloss over many basics, like when we load any raster layer like DEM layer on the in the layer panel, we always see the maximum value and minimum value. Now only during this training program I came to learn that it is not absolute maximum and minimum value, and we can change. There are settings of what to display, which absolute maximum is there, and we can remove the outliers, because presence of a few outliers with high elevation or very low elevation, even if it is 1 or 2 pixels, it will entirely change your visualization of the layer. So such minute things are there. What I will suggest is you please go through QGIS documentation. In the documentation, I had shared one document on gentle introduction to GIS, not QGS, gentle introduction to GIS, which gives a general, not software specific. It is not a software specific document, but it gives a very good introduction for beginners to GIS the technology. And then in the documentation, there is also a training manual, QGIS. I have made use of it, some of the content for this training program. I have changed it a bit. You too can go through the training manual of QGIS documentation. And there is a lot many things which are already there. Only thing is we have to explore, and QGIS, because of its open access nature, you will find many online tutorials. On this occasion, I would like to show one portal where you can, because you have got a very good ground now. I think you can now do the self-learning. Um, there is a one website, qgstutorials.com. And these the content is created by one individual. He is known as Ujjwal Gandhi. He's a, he is a very good teacher. You will find many of the sessions of him on Google Earth Engine also. You can just simply search for. I hope the screen is visible. You can simply search for QGIS tutorials. The website address is qgistutorials.com. In this, you can start with the basic GIS operations for those who are at the very basic level. And every session comes along with the data. and the steps are listed. And then once you finish it, you can go to intermediate GIS operations and then advanced and even network analysis. So this has many ready-made tutorials are there. And then if you go to QGIS training manual, if you search by QGIS training manual, you will find this manual listed the head-wise, module-wise. You will find a lot of exercises along with the data sets. Data sets are also provided. You can download the zip file and you can learn. So self-learning is the best way, but you should know where to access material. So I think you can make use of these. Yeah, there are some suggestions also. Yeah, please. It can be divided into, there is a chart suggestion in the chat box that training can be divided into 2 batches based on age and because there are some sessions are highly technical. The last 2 sessions I know they appear to be highly technical, but because you are it is many people have complex they see coding as some complex thing which they cannot break or they cannot crack it, but it is not the case for beginners who don't know the coding. Python is the best language to learn, and if you have some basic knowledge of Python, you can improve and create many of the tools which you use in QGIS. So if you are for general working, whatever tools are there in QGIS, they are enough. But if you want to have a workflow, if you are working on some project where you daily have to repeat some procedure, then it will be useful for customization. On e-learning platform, some of the programs are faculty assisted. It is not they are not they are floated, and when they are floated, you have to register for them, and you will have the guidance. Like in this course, we have uh, guided you along with the providing the material. So you cannot access the old courses which are guided courses. They will be floated again and then you can register. Yeah, if there are no further queries, we will close the session.
Okay, thank you once again.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. We will meet next weekend. Probably, I just wanted to know, is it okay for you to if we keep a short session of half an hour on weekend, Saturday, or should we organize it on Friday itself?
Timing, Friday means?
Friday around the same time, maybe.
Okay, I think people will be.
Or actually, there are many people who are busy with their work. So for their purpose, if we can keep for half an hour on Saturday morning, is it okay?
Saturday is also okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. So I think by then you should be able to complete. Keep a target of reviewing all the sessions and completing the exercises. And if you still have time, you can go through the material tutorial which the sites which I have just referred. Uh, so if there are any queries, you can post them in the uh, group. You also make use of the course forum, the e-learning platform of NWA. We have created a course forum where you can post your queries so that anyone can reply. So it will be a permanent course forum. You will have access to it whenever you log in. Yeah, then thank you very much for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chaitanya.
Thank you, sir.